Anthropic just shipped Live Artifacts, and it might be the biggest CoWork upgrade since launch. For any founder running operations in Claude, this changes how you build dashboards forever. So in this video, I'll walk you through 4 real live artifacts I built this week and show you exactly how to set them up for yourself. If you're new here, I'm June. I run AItopia, building SaaS and running an AI agency as a solo founder. I use Claude to replace what used to take entire teams, and I share everything I learned so you can do the same. Join our AI community. In this video, I'll break down exactly what changed, show you 5 use cases you can steal today, and walk you through the full setup. So what exactly is a live artifact? It's a persistent, auto-refreshing dashboard that lives inside Claude CoWork. You build it once. Every time you open it, it pulls fresh data from your connected apps automatically. No prompt, no token cost on the refresh. It connects to real apps, Gmail, Google Calendar, Stripe, Shopify. It lives in your left sidebar, accessible from any Claude session anytime. Version history is built in so you can roll back while you're iterating. The key mechanic is this. When you get a new email, your dashboard shows it. When your Stripe balance changes, your dashboard shows it. No prompt, no burn, just live data. Creating live artifact is extremely easy. You go to CoWork, live artifact, and you can create new artifact with Claude. It is a self-contained HTML page that CoWork saves that repulls the fresh data from your connector every time you open it. So you don't have to worry about stale data. And then you can connect as many apps tools and skills inside Claude CoWork. I will show you some of the examples. You are basically building your custom dashboard within a few minutes. That's the true power of Live Artifact. I already have a lot of agents that work for me 24/7 for content, SEO, videos, and for many operations like lead generations. I have a few things that I really love and I want to share that. The first thing is a swipe file review. One of the most important thing is to keep collecting inspirations from other influencer creators so that I can create a better content. I can put out better content for my audience. Many times you have to comment on somebody's content and say some keywords to get their resources. That was very tiring to me, honestly. I started with the skills. When I put some link after I commented, the skill will take the content of that post and save the link of it and say, you get it, you don't get it, the resource and swipe file. Every morning, I check it out. Some of the swipe files, I don't get it. And this live data is directly connected to my Notion CRM and only shows the resources I didn't get, even though I put some comments, I interact with them. After I found that, I can open the Notion page or I can click the original and it directs me to main post. And then I just DM them again. I really like your content. I want to learn more about it. Could you share it? A lot of them, they're using their automation behind the scene. So it can be missed. After I get all the resources, I always put it in the Obsidian or Notebook LM and discuss more how we can create a better content for our audience. Our second use case is weekly plan. Obviously, any founders who are having a lot of meetings and a lot of moving pieces, they need this kind of command center. And the way I set up was I actually connect with Google Calendar and Gmail and Notion and my Obsidian for task and main things. So it shows me the one brief overview of it. Obviously, this was super easy to set this up. It was worth it. And the good thing about this Claude CoWork in Live Artifact is, let's say you don't like this layout, then you can always update the way you want to see it. For me, I set this week calendar on the left side and task on the right side and inbox on the left side again, theme and notes here. Let's say you don't like it. Then what you can do here is, I don't like this layout. Could you update the layout for simplicity? And in a few minutes, it just re-updated. And let me show you how it looks like. Now the task is up here and we're having calendar right after that. And we're having inbox right after that. And the other part is, like I said, this is live data retrieving from some connectors like Google Calendar, Gmail, Notion, anything that you connected. So you can actually filter down. Let's say you want to see only tasks that are highest priority. If you have the death fields, or if you want to see only meetings that are related to business, then you can set that up. So it's up to you. And that's why I love the idea of this live artifact. Many times, SaaS is actually enforcing you to behave in certain ways. This approach flips that. You are actually updating one and only custom dashboard to your preferences, to your taste. So that is the second use case. And third use case I want to check here is actually inbox radar. For me, LinkedIn is the number one source for B2B deals. I have many followers on LinkedIn and many of them keeping me many requests every day. It's actually pretty much overwhelming because I can't catch up with the speed of it. And let's say if I'm having like 100 DMs every day, it was really time consuming to go through all of them and classify it with my brain and see what are the best things, what are the priorities I should actually answer right now, or what are the things I can put off a little bit and talk later. For me, that was very important workflow. So the way I set up here is I connected with my LinkedIn DMs, and I ask in this dashboard, classify those intents from DM and give me the important things as a test. It retrieves only 10 chats. Sometimes it says like highlights you want to answer these first. And some of them we're having natural conversations like for partnership or just friendship or just exchanging ideas. Some of them I actually give them some lead magnets and some freebie. This was very useful. And if I'm seeing like hot leads, let's say, then I actually open it up and I answer them ASAP. So that's the number three. Next use case I want to show you is I already have this dashboard in our operators. So this is our CMO lean dashboard, and we already have all the signals patterns that we are scraping from multiple sources every day to see the trends and the best things to share with our audience. And we're having some SEO visuals, but let's assume that you don't have this part and then you were scraping somewhere from the internet using Epify or Firecrawl. Then the next thing is you to save that in SQLite, Notion, anywhere. And then what I would do is connect with this data source and generate your own dashboard inside Claude CoWork using Live Artifact function. I already asked that and we just need to wait a little bit. After a few minutes, this just happens. On the right side, I just ask with one simple prompt that we have this total signals. We are scraping from many sources and show me like what are the viral things, what are high threat articles, what are the active competitors, all of them. If I were you, I would set this up and see what are the best deals in your niche. And then you can create those content, those SEO blogs faster than anybody so that you can set you up as an authority figure in your niche. And you can copy like viral only, Reddit only, YouTube only, X only, like LinkedIn. I was surprised by showing you this one in live time. And this is the power again of having custom dashboard. So that's how I'm using live artifacts every day, swipe file review, weekly plan, inbox radar, trend signal. If you want the exact prompts I use to build these 4 dashboards, plus everything I add as I keep building, they're inside our school community. Is free to join. Head to the Classroom tab, check free resources. Subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this. Welcome to the Lean Operator era.